Good morning, friends. My name is Shubham Kumar, and today I am here to discuss about indemnity of contract and guarantee of contract. So let's start without waste your time. Indemnity of contract. Means indemnity of contract is a contract whereby a person promises to another person to save the loss. Means indemnity of contract saying that any unfair practices with the one parties to save the other parties. Let's take one example of indemnity of contract. Like Siram Finance Company gives the finance to the customer, and customer take the finance of the Siram companies, and with the unfair practices with customer, then customer claim to the company, and company get compensation to the customer. In this indemnity of contract involves two terms, like indemnifier. Indemnifier means one person promises to another person to save the loss, means Siram Finance Company, and indemnity holder. Indemnity holder means to face the problem, means the customers of the Siram Finance Company. So the basic concept of the indemnity of contract. The second one is guarantee of contract. Guarantee of contract means guarantee of contract is a contract where promise or perform the liability of by a third person any case of default. Let's take an example of guarantee of contract. Like Mr. A taking loan from Mr. B. Mr. B is giving loan to Mr. A, and in this case Mr. B is asking to the Mr. A what is the returning policy to you. Then in this case Mr. C comes and saying to Mr. B, please give me the loan to Mr. A. If in this condition Mr. A is not returning to the loan, in this case Mr. C is returning to the loan. So in this case Mr. A is a indemnity debtor, and Mr. B is a creditor, and Mr. C is a surety holder. In this case guarantee of contract is said and taking the a surety holder. Then Mr. B is giving to the loan to Mr. A. This is the basic concept of guarantee of contracts. Thank you.